Hi, friends. Today we're going to be reading a fable about bravery. So, first, we're going to read together, and then I want you to read it again by yourself. And then there are three key questions that we're going to have to answer at the end of this. So, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about what the questions are. The first question is, where does the story take place? So, you're going to be thinking about that. What is the relationship between the two men at the beginning of the story? I'm going to think about that. And then, what is the fable mostly about? We want to know what it's mostly about. What is the theme for it? Here we go. The Two Travelers, adapted from a fable by Aesop. We see that for our runners, that this story has already been, the numbers are already there for us. And so while we're reading through this, I'm just going to highlight a couple of things that I find interesting. So, the two travelers. Two men planned a trip that would take them through wild, lonely country. They promised that if they met with danger, they would stand by each other. To the end, said the first man. To the end, said the second man. They traveled only a short distance when a bear rushed out of the woods at them. The first man, as soon as he saw the bear, rushed to a tree and climbed it as quickly as he could. The other man, who was slower to see the bear, realized he had no time to escape. He fell to the ground, pretending to be dead. The bear came over to the man on the ground. The bear sniffed the man and smelled the traveler. The bear put his face right up to the man's ear. But the man held his breath and soon, losing interest, the bear walked away. When the bear was safely out of sight, the first traveler slid down the tree and walked over to his companion, who was now sitting by the side of the road. Well, that was a close one, wasn't it? The first man said. What did that bear say when he had his mouth to your ear? It's no secret, growled the second man. He said I should never again believe anything said by a coward like you. Please take your time and read it again and then answer the questions.